Debt collection lawyers versus recovery specialists. Which one is better for small businesses? Most small business owners get this wrong by assuming all overdue payments are handled the same way. The surprising truth is that debt collection lawyers and recovery specialists are very different functions, and choosing the right one can save time, money, and relationships. Recovery specialists focus on negotiating and collecting unpaid debts without resorting to legal action. They use phone calls, emails, and structured payment plans to recover funds efficiently. For example, if a client is late on a small invoice but wants to maintain a good relationship, a recovery specialist can secure payment without damaging the business connection. This method is typically faster, less expensive, and less stressful than formal legal proceedings. Debt collection lawyers, on the other hand, provide legal representation for overdue payments that cannot be resolved through negotiation. They draft formal letters, initiate court proceedings, and enforce judgments if necessary. For example, if a client owes a significant sum and refuses to pay, a lawyer can file a claim and pursue legal remedies, ensuring the debt is legally enforceable. Lawyers are crucial for high-value or contentious debts where negotiation alone won't suffice. So, which is better? For everyday, low-value overdue invoices, recovery specialists offer an efficient and cost-effective solution. For large, complex, or disputed debts, debt collection lawyers provide the legal authority and expertise to enforce payment. Many small businesses combine both approaches, starting with a recovery specialist and escalating to a lawyer only if needed. The key takeaway is that handling unpaid invoices strategically can protect cash flow without harming client relationships. The surprising truth is that using the right approach at the right stage can recover debts faster, save costs, and even preserve valuable business relationships. Smart businesses know when to negotiate and when to escalate.